So now we ran our application, we analyzed the log file, we did everything, but we don't know how the code works. Do we? We don't, right? So don't get scared looking all these things. Very soon you'll get used to all these files, all these log entries and all these things. So don't be scared at all right? I'll just shorten it out. Now let's understand the code architecture. And these are the Gradle scripts. Let's skip this for now. And this is our app, and these are all, this is the entire, it contains all the code related to our Android application. The first one is the Android manifest. Android manifest.xml. This is the file which basically defines the behavior of an Android application, like how this Android application should behave in a given environment, in a given mobile phone. So over here we have given some labels, right? So over here it's the very standard way of writing the schemas for Android, and the package name, the package name of an Android application is com.example.academy.hello world. Now, whenever we write an manifest file, this application tag is very much necessary. So this is XML, this is pure XML. If you don't know XML, again, don't get scared, you will get used to it, and we will learn a lot of this, a lot of XML in the meanwhile. So when you are done with the Android development course, you would have learned XML as well. So application defines all the properties, the attributes and the behavior of the Android application. Allow backup is true, which means please allow backup for whatever has been saved in this Android application. Icon is the icon. It's the same icon that you see on the home screen of your Android phone. So this is how you give the address, the location where your icon has been saved. And the label is the name of the app, which is again saved in RES's resource. Okay, in values we have strings.xml. In strings.xml, this is the app name, right? This is again another XML. Okay, and this app name we have used over here. So we could have simply written this, right? Hello world. But again, we don't do this, mostly because we don't want, like suppose if I want to change the name of the application and I have used this variable, like you say, 100 times throughout my Android application, so it's not a possibility to go through each and every file and change the name of the application, right? So what I'll do is I'll simply use a variable, and whenever I want to change the name of a file, I'll just change from hello world to hello world app, something like that, right? Nothing for now. And the support RTL is again the RTL thing, is right to left. Like whenever typing, it should be right to left or left to right, all those things. The theme is the basic Android theme that has been applied to you. Now, activities is something that we'll again discuss in detail in the upcoming chapters. So let's not dive too much into it for now, at least. So this is our Android XML. Now, style. So in our styles.xml file, we again define the style for Android application. The primary color, the primary dark color, and the color accent. You can see the colors over here as well. And these are the colors. For every color, we define the hex code in this manner. For color, it starts with the color tag. It starts with the resource tag. The child tag is the color one, and the name of the color and the value of the color, right? So this are Android manifest.xml. Now the main file that we need to that which is basically handling everything is main activity. So this is the file, right? So now what is happening over here? This is our class main activity. So this is screen. This is the main activity screen. All right, makes sense. So on create. So on create. It's basically telling the Android, our phone, that on creating this application, that means the moment you open the application, when you open the application, Android understands it as you are creating the application. Okay. So when you're creating the application, it is saying to set content view as r.layout.activity main. So what is this? Again, we go to resource, we go to layout and activity main.xml. So this is our activity main.xml. We can see the design as well, right? So I think there's some issues. We can install a supported JDK or something. So we'll do it later, not right now. Okay. So you can see the design over here as well, and that's it. So this is again another XML, which is the relative layout. We'll talk about layout in detail in the next chapter. And this is the relative layout, the width, the height, the padding that we want to apply, padding on bottom, on left, on right. What padding means is the space that you want to leave. You don't want, if you're writing something, so like you see there is some space between hello and between the screen, this is the padding. Okay. And so this is our activity main.xml file. Again, going to the main activity.java. Again, this is the log.d file, the log message that we wrote in the last topic, remember? So this is mostly it. There are other folders, the test folder where we can write the test classes for Android application. We can write unit test for Android application. But for now, we will ignore all these things, and that is it. That's it. In next chapter, we'll again discuss few more things about Android in very much detail. And this is all about the Android Studio and the Hello World application. And I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to rate the entire chapter, the entire experience, and before moving to the next module, if at all you are moving. And if you have any feedback, reach me back at byte@akadmy.com. You can check the mail downwards, and there are links written. There are links mentioned. Uh, if you see in the bottom, there are a lot of links mentioned, and you should go to all these links before moving to the next chapter. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. I hope you had fun. Okay, bye.